Look at Mom. She's playing with the chicken. Mom. She's playing with the chicken. What are you gonna do, Daisy? Huh?
Don't put me in it. I'm not in there, am I?
Yeah.
I don't even have makeup on, Nathan.
Oh,
wow.
Wow.
You look just fine.
I'm in my pajamas.
Oh,
Somebody made a
I'm in my
poopsie.
pajamas.
Did you make a poopsie?
I'm in my pajamas. Hello.
Yes, we understand. You pooped.
Yeah, she's talking about it.
look at it.
I completely understand that you want poop.
You're also showing up very red. That's great.
You just got vacuumed.
He's probably going to poop on it again.
Well,
Hello.